Imagine you're trying to explain something to a friend who has read millions of books, articles, and conversations. That's basically how a large language model, or LLM, works. It learns patterns from enormous amounts of text. Not facts, not memories, just patterns. And the magic behind this pattern finding is something called a transformer. A transformer is like a super advanced reading assistant. Instead of reading text one word at a time, it can look at an entire sentence, or even a whole page, all at once. Imagine if you could read a paragraph instantly and understand which words are connected, which ones matter most, and what the whole thing means. That's what transformers do. Inside every transformer, there's a special mechanism called attention. Attention helps the model decide which words are important in a sentence. For example, if you say, "The dog chased the ball but it rolled away," the model needs to know what it refers to. The attention system looks at the whole sentence and figures out that it is the ball. It does this thousands of times per second. For tech people, you can think of attention as a scoring system. The model creates numerical relationships between words. Words that matter more to each other get higher scores. These scores guide how the model understands language and generates responses. The model also uses layers, lots and lots of layers. Each layer transforms the text into more meaningful information. The first layers look at basic relationships between words. Deeper layers understand ideas, tone, and even intent. By the time the text passes through all these layers, the model can predict the next word with surprising accuracy, and prediction is the heart of everything it does. When you ask a question, the model doesn't search the internet or recall exact facts. Instead, it predicts the most likely answer based on all the patterns it has learned. It's like completing a sentence, but on a much larger scale. For non-tech viewers, imagine an LLM as a giant pattern-matching machine. For tech viewers, picture billions of numbers flowing through neural layers shaped by attention, optimized through training, predicting one token at a time. Put simply, transformers allow AI to understand context, meaning, and relationships better than any previous model. And that's why today's AI feels more natural, more intelligent, and more helpful than ever.